Hi students, welcome for Civil Engineering Construction Foundation. I am hereby practicing a new method of introducing guest lectures to you. So as we do teach our regular modules in flip teaching methodology, I am trying to deliver a guest lecture through flip teaching, like a partial flip teaching, like introducing guest lectures well in advance, the topic well in advance, and sharing presentation with you, so that we expect students are coming to guest lecture with basic knowledge of what's going to happen over there. I would like to introduce our guests. You can see on screen. You can see on screen guests Prasad and Ahmad Al Ghafri. They are both design engineers working with Hamad Design Services. So can I request the guests to please introduce yourself, and then please give a brief about the guest lecture which we are going to have it on Wednesday 5:30 to 6:30 or 7.
Hello, good evening everyone. This is Ahmed Al Ghafri, civil engineer working for Hamid Engineering Service. And today we are going to give you a brief about the types of soil, suitable foundation, and suitable excavation for each foundation. Welcome to the presentation.
Thank you so much. Prasad, can you please brief yourself?
Hi everyone, myself Prasad. I am design engineer working for Hamid Engineering Services. I'm working in Oman from last 10 years on in civil engineering designs and knowledge.
It's okay.
Ranger, sorry.
You can just brief yourself. This is Prasad, working as a design engineer in Hamad Engineering Services. He's working in Oman from last 10 years, and he has very wide experience in dealing with various sort of designs. I expect that his expertise will be going to give you a very brief on types of soils, types of excavations, and types of foundation. I would like to really thank you both for accepting my request, and a special thanks for accepting to record a video and accepting the procedure we are following as a flip teaching. And I can say that this is really a wonderful platform that we are creating a guest lecture through a flip teaching mode. I am going to share my screen. So on that screen, you can be able to see the presentation. So from that presentation, you can just give a brief about your lecture tomorrow. Okay, so please, I'm sharing the presentation on the screen now. You can start.
To start with, we will discuss on the topic of types of soil and suitable foundations based on the types of soils, and based on the type of soil, what shall be the excavation methods. All these three are interlinked, so we have kept all three as a single topic. So we will go through the slides one by one so that we will understand what is there in the topic as a brief. Rahul, can you next? Yeah, broadly classified. Soils are broadly classified based on the strength. When we are coming to the engineering as the perspective, not like our general classification of soils is like clay soils, silty soils, or sandy soils like that. No, when it comes to the engineering, the classification is based on the stability strengths of the soils. So what you can see on the screen is the classification based on Universal Building Code, and the same is followed universally everywhere for all the design perspective. Next.
Yeah.
And the following are the pictures which will give you an idea that what sort of soils are there, and looking at the soil can we decide any profile. When coming to the soil parameters, how we will identify? There should be some field tests to be done to identify what sort of soil is that. So to give that as a brief, we have taken one example of a soil report and sharing with you that what sort of tests will be conducted, how it will be presented and all. The picture shown is just like a trail pit what is taken to assess the soil. Next. And this is the picture showing how a borehole is conducted. Borehole is a method to collect the samples at different depths of the excavation. And this is the back clip. This is the data given in the borehole, and this can be studied. That in detail we can discuss tomorrow. And next, and this is the recommendations given by the Soil Investigation Agency, and these how it will be used in the designs also we will discuss tomorrow. And this is the chemical analysis. Chemical analysis is equally important when compared to the strengths or stability of the soil. Chemical analysis is also equally important for the durability point of view. Next. Sorry,
Next,
I cannot see that.
Yes, Ahmed, you can speak.
Yeah. Yeah, next slide, please. Yeah, this is now we will give you about the idea about the foundation and different type of foundation. Next. Yeah, next. Yeah. Here we will give you an idea about the foundation and different type of foundation that's to be used in the design. For example, deep foundation or a shallow foundation. And we will give you an idea about the classification of each foundation, each type of foundation. For example, deep foundation. And we will give you an idea about the types of foundation. For example, isolated foundation, combined footing, and raft foundation. And to give you an idea how when we are using each foundation type in the design purpose and based on what. This is the chart which we will use, and it is classified in two types of foundation. Actually, we will not go deeply in explanation of deep foundation, but we will go one by one for the type of shallow foundation, and we will give you the knowledge how to choose that suitable foundation type for each foundation, for each load, and for each structure.
And further after
next. Yeah. Yes, Prasad.
Yeah, back please. Further choosing the type of foundation, we have to decide what sort of excavation to be performed, because safety during the excavation is also equally important for the site execution. So there will be 2 or 3 types of excavations will be there. That is like pocket excavation, which is called local excavations, and the second one is the mass excavations. So for the shallow foundations, if they are closely located, then mass excavation is preferred. At the same time, next, after the types of excavations are there, we can go with the stabilities of the slopes. Like once the excavation is there, the edges to be stable. So based on the type of soil, that stability slopes to be decided. In addition to the above excavation types or types of soils or types of foundations, we just want to give an idea that what are the basic principles to be followed for the design of a foundation. In detail, we can discuss tomorrow.
Second one.
Thank you so much, Prasad and Ahmed, for your very brief introduction. So this is really interesting for our students. So where we are discussing about various soil parameters, foundations, and excavations. Inshallah, I will share this with my students, and let us meet tomorrow on Wednesday. It is 10th June, 5:30 to 6:30, the same time. Thank you so much for your kind cooperation and kind participation. Students, this is an introduction to your guest lecture in a flipped method. I will be sharing this video and presentation together. Hopefully, see you tomorrow. Thank you so much.